G'day, here's 3 examples of Lightning Ridge knobby material from Central New South Wales, Australia, rules in millimetres, materials wetted. That white you're seeing there is the light reflecting. It's not super strong, that colour bar, but a bit of crystal running through there. Stronger colour, but it's got sand spots in it. Hopefully in the centre you might get a small stone. Here's a larger knobby, crowned with colour there, and again some on this side. It's mostly sort of crystal type material. Anyway, they are what they are, but it's priced accordingly. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.